Hello guys and welcome to Mr. HZ. It's fixing time. We have two hydraulic jack. I need to fix them to work for it. So we're gonna get them cleaned. Then we're gonna repair it and gonna remove all the stuffs to see the seals how it's going. So then we're gonna see how they are working. Keep us. Don't forget like guys. So after cleaning, I just cleaned them. So I'm gonna open them. Proper cleaning. So we're gonna set them apart, see what's missing or let's go. So I cleaned it here. I cleaned it. I don't know if you are seeing this, guys, but I cleaned this. I clean it here inside. Here also clean it. Then I changed the cells. This cell was changed. I changed it, and I changed the cell for that one also. Change it. So I cleaned this and I surfaced it with sandpaper. So good, and this one's still good condition. So I'm gonna assemble it right now. One is done. Finish. Finish. One is finished. Can open the other one. Come here, come.